morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has stood still in the last session. The ADX has transitioned sharply into the positive area. Bitcoin has added 2.9% in the last two sessions. The ADX has skyrocketed into the positive zone. The price of gold has gained 0.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator transitioned into neutral territory. The price of crude oil has lost 5.3% in the last three sessions. The ADX has transitioned sharply into the positive area.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Oil prices fell and posted a second consecutive monthly drop as rising COVID-19 cases in Europe and the U.S. heightened concerns over the outlook for fuel consumption. Sterling traded within a cent's range against the dollar, pinned near the 129 mark amid a lack of news around ongoing Brexit trade negotiations. The safe haven dollar rose to a four-week high amid jitters ahead of next week's U.S. presidential election and the continued surge in global coronavirus cases.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Australian commodity prices will be released at 4:30 GMT. The Eurozone Centix Investor Confidence at 6:30 GMT, the German Manufacturing PMI at 6:55 GMT, the Canadian RBC Manufacturing PMI at 12:30 GMT, the U.S. Manufacturing PMI at 12:45 GMT, and the U.S. construction spending at 1300 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.